What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? So I'm at the park right now, and I came across a beautiful stream. I'm about to show you in a minute. Come check out this beautiful stream at the Clinton River. All right, let's check it out. So what's up, guys? Check it out, man. This is the stream right here. Check it yourself out, man. Nice, beautiful look, serene, trees around the water and stuff. Look at the landscape, man. It's just mind blowing. You know, you just come over here, sit down, and let your mind wander around for a minute and relax yourself. Watch this area. You got a bench to sit down. What else can you ask for? So basically, what I'm saying is this, man. It's like a medicine, basically. Better than a medicine, that's what I would say. Better than a medicine because it just relax you, calms you down. You at your job and stuff. Or in general, if you ain't got nowhere to go, you can just pop into my channel and check this out. I got shorts on them. I got videos on them. You can come just check it out yourself. I'm just gonna be quiet right now and let you enjoy the scene, the stream, and everything, okay? See you. Love you all. Bye-bye. Make sure you guys like and share my channel, subscribe to the channel too. I hope you are liking the video. Alright, so what's up guys? Hope you liking this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So I'll see you next time. Alright, take care, bye bye. Make sure you like and subscribe this video. Alright, thank you so much. I keep on bringing different video for you guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe this channel. Alright, love you all. See you next time. And I guess I'll see you on a different place, different time. Love you.